In this video, we're going to talk about the 10 surprising health benefits of cold brew coffee. You may think of cold brew coffee as just another way to get your caffeine fix, but it turns out there are many more benefits to drinking it than you might realize. 1. Lowers risk of heart disease. Cold brew coffee has been shown to lower the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. 2. Boosts metabolism. The caffeine in cold brew coffee can help boost your metabolism, leading to increased energy and better weight management. 3. Helps you stay hydrated. Unlike traditional hot coffee, cold brew coffee is less dehydrating, meaning you can enjoy it without worrying about losing too much water. 4. Contains antioxidants. Cold brew coffee is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body from free radical damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. 5. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cold brew coffee can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 6. Improves cognitive function. The caffeine in cold brew coffee can help improve brain function, including memory, reaction time, and overall cognitive performance. 7. Helps you recover after exercise. Cold brew coffee can help reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise recovery, making it a great option for athletes. 8. Promotes liver health. Cold brew coffee has been shown to reduce the risk of liver disease and improve liver function. 9. Helps you live longer. Studies have found that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of death from all causes, including heart disease, cancer, and respiratory disease. 10. Tastes great. Finally, let's not forget that cold brew coffee tastes great. With its smooth, rich flavor, it's the perfect way to start your day. If you found this video informative, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. We're always looking for new viewers to join our community, and your support means the world to us.